Wow. So in a
Yeah,
very small age, you are doing so many things. Okay, what would
yeah.
you want to become in your future? Have you
I
determined it
become
or not?
I want to
Hmm.
become a good English speaker, or I want to become a singer.
Great, great. I also love singing. What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is a Badri Ki Dulhaniya.
Oh, please, can you sing, Kanishka? Two lines.
Okay. धोती में तो रंग बता ब्लू लाल एरन तेरे उड़ते बाल आजा तेरे दोनों का सारा रा रा है बित्ता सारा राना के देखे झुमके लगा रे चाय डुमके पीछे पीछे झुमके है ए ए विंडो बाहर जमका है देखे ओ फारे तुझको ही बेटी मेरी नौटी नजरिया तुझको बना करके तुझको बना
इसको
के
बना
ले जाएंगे
करके
तेरी की दुल्हनिया
वाह वाह
रानी
वाह।
बना करके ले जाएंगे बदरी की दुल्हनिया मुन्नेरिया बदरी की दुल्हनिया मुन्नेरिया बदरी की दुल्हनिया तू न तू न
Wow. Wow, Beta. Wow, 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 wow. Very good, very good, very good. Wow. I was not even
Thank
expecting, I
you,
was
sir.
not thinking that you will sing this song very beautifully. You sang this song very beautifully. Really.
Thank you, sir. What do you want to become in your future?
Actually, same like you. Kanishka, earlier I wanted to become a singer. Okay. So I was also singing. But what happened after some time, I found that my singing pitch, my scale was not that high, and I had a sore throat whenever I used to sing a lot. I would find that I had a sore throat. That's why I left it. Sometimes I sing for maintaining my mood. When I feel bad, then at that time I sing or I play harmonium as well. So I do this. But now this time I can say what I want to become. This time my first focus is same like you. I want to become a good English speaker.
Oh,
Then I
nice,
will then
nice.
okay.
Can you sing me one song? Your choice.
um, Yeah, sure. Which song I should sing? You can ask me for any song if you have.
तेरी मेरी गल्ला है.
Only I know only one line.
Okay, you can say. I love to hear.
Only one line I know. तेरी मेरी गल्ला होगी मजबूर रखना कभी तो मुझे नजरों से दूर किथे चलिए तू किथे चलिए काटू कैसे राता ओ सावरे जिया नहीं जाता तुम बावरे के राता लंबिया लंबिया रे चले फिर संगिया संगिया रे के राता लंबिया लंबिया रे चले फिर संगिया संगिया रे. Even I was not prepared this song.
Oh, I love this song. Very nice.
Thank you,
You
Mitra.
sang very nice. You will
Thank you,
be
thank
a
you.
singer.
Thank you. I'm doing well. I'm doing well as well. Thank you so much for asking. So, Tanishka, your name is, am I pronouncing your name correctly? Tanishka.
Yes.
Good. Okay, so Tanishka, we are meeting first time. Please introduce yourself.
Okay. My name is Tanishka. I'm 7 years old. I'm studying in third standard, and my hobbies are to reading books, and I like to painting also, and I like to do craft, and I like to do drawing also, and I like to read storybooks, and I like to write in notebook in my own language, and it's my channel on YouTube, English with Tanishka. So, can you tell about
Okay.
yourself?
Yeah, sure. Well, I'm glad to know about you. Now it's my turn. I'm Vaibhav Dwivedi. I'm from UP, Uttar Pradesh. My district is Barabanki. This time I'm working in a hostel as a hostel warden, and I have done informed. My hobbies are singing, listening to music, and playing harmonium, and talking to good speakers like you. These are my hobbies. Okay, Tanishka,
Thank you,
let me
sir.
ask you one thing. Actually, you love reading books. So, approx how many stories have you learned till now in English?
Um, my mother bought me one book. That title is a Once Upon a Time. In 2 days, I read whole book.
Oh, wow, great! You are a quick learner.
Yes,
Wow.
and my mother tomorrow bringing me two books more to read it.
Okay, okay. He's going to bring two more books for you. Story books or which kind of books?
Story books only
Story
because
books.
I like to read story books.
Wow,
Now,
wow,
now
great,
these
great.
days, now these days, there are so many vacations. Vacations are going. That's why now I have time. Now I'm reading my story books, bedtime story book, and my Once Upon a Time. That one is done. Now I'm reading bedtime story books. A book. Now tomorrow my mother will be bring more books to me.
Okay, yeah.
Okay, can I ask you one
Um,
question?
yeah, sure, sure.
Okay, what we can call this in
Bucket,
English?
bucket. Because, as yeah, according to me, it is bucket.
Yes, we said it bucket also, and we said bamboo bucket. See,
Okay. Yeah, you are right. So,
bamboo basket.
so right. So this bucket, basket was created by the bamboo. Okay, by the
Yeah.
slices of bamboo. Yeah,
Yes,
bamboo.
yes, see, this is bamboo, and yes,
Yes.
see inside it.
Yes. Wow. It's looking pretty.
Yes, yes,
Wow. Good. Okay. And have you ever seen bamboo tree? Have you ever seen
yes. I
bamboo
see
tree?
bamboo tree, and I have big bamboo also. In Gudi Padwa, we do it. We take it bamboo. Yes.
Yes. Mostly you will see bamboos are so high, so tall, so big, isn't it?
Yes, I have so much big
Hmm.
bamboo.
Hmm. Good. So
Yes.
who has made this bamboo bucket? You bought it ready-made or someone made in your
No,
village or
mother,
wherever you are?
no, my mother bought it. My mother bought it from outside.
Okay, great. So how long have you been speaking and talking and polishing your communication skills?
Maybe 6 months or 7 months.
Oh, wow. Still you are able to speak. Wow, great. So try to learn some little bit verbs, focus on the verbs as well. Okay, Peter. When you are talking about someone, so try to use as in present form. Means the activity which we do. I'm not trying to teach you, but I think I can tell you because I have noticed little bit. So when you are talking about some things which are going on and which are being in present, so that time we can use it when we are talking about ourselves. Okay, especially yourself. Like
Okay.
I use right. For example, I use this earbud. Okay, I use this earbud. You use this earbud. They use this. We use this earbud, and they use this earbud. But when we talk about your mother, your father, or any other person, then that time we say she uses. She uses this earbud. Okay, we use as form. Tell me your favorite teacher's name.
My favorite teacher's name. Uh, I like so many teachers. I like so many
Okay,
teachers. But I like one teacher that one name Mahalakshmi ma'am.
okay, okay. Mrs. Mahal, Miss, you can say directly when you are talking about a person who is elder than you. You can use in when you're talking about ladies, so you can use Miss or Mrs. according to their marital state. Means you should have said, I think, Mrs. Before
Yes.
the name, you can use Mrs. or Miss.
Yes,
That's it.
because
Okay. Wow.
A teacher teaches English subject, but they teach very interesting.
Hmm.
Yes.
Okay,
Can
okay.
you can I tell one thing?
Yeah, please.
Yes, you are looking like a AK sir because you also wearing a cap and the AK sir also wearing a cap.
Okay, okay. Oh, thank you, beta. So, beta, I can see a whiteboard behind you. So please let me see that board. Can I see
Yes,
that board?
yes, this is my whiteboard. It's very big.
Oh,
See, you can see.
okay, okay, okay. Okay, I got it. I think you had to talk to me. Okay, that is why you wrote there. And your
Yes,
mama or someone wrote there.
yes,
Okay,
my
okay.
mother wrote that. Yes, I have whiteboard. Me and my sister draw pictures on it. Yes, we do so many design also sometimes. Yes, and sometimes we do too much fun on the board.
Okay. So which picture you can draw beautifully?
I can draw a picture of a girl. Anything I can draw. Yes,
Oh,
and
and
I
talking.
can draw a cube. Like we can draw a simple square, but I can draw a cube also.
Oh, wow, wow, great. Okay, Tanishka,
Thank you,
let me
sir.
ask you one thing. Actually, you love reading books, isn't it? And story books.
Yes, I like
You
to
read
read
them.
storybooks.
Okay. So can you narrate a story just now?
Yeah.
Any story? Yeah. So please,
Okay.
any story.
My story name is Two Mans. Two
Okay.
Mans. And their shop.
Hmm.
One day there was two mans. One day there
Hmm.
was two mans, and they have a shop. In the shop, uh, they they put lots of things. And
Okay.
one day, two mans are there. One name is Kaku, Kaku, and second one is Farku. And
Okay.
then the Kaku said to Farku that I want to go to outside to paint because he
Okay.
was shocked. The customer give a order the next day to come
Hmm.
in my home and paint. So
Hmm.
the Kaku go uh, the home of the customer and painting. He was painting, and the Kaku said before that, Farku that keep the observe the our shop. Don't come to anyone. The customer come take it, but uh, don't come to them. So the Farku sit on the one chair and observing the door, and then he saw a noise like a wow, wow, and he heard the voice. Now he don't listen that one. Now next then the Farku hear the voice of wow, nice, nice. So he don't listen that one voice. What first it first shout. The next also someone shout wow, how beautiful. Then he hear and then he saw from the window. It was shop window. He saw that the lots of shouting. There was a magic show. There was going a magic show. He liked the magic show. He liked to see the magic show.
Hmm.
So he go to outside from the shop and go there. And someone said, "Bring that one. Bring that one." He was doing that one work. He forgot that our shop is there. So he do that time. That work. That time, the Paku come and saw to the Paku that he was doing a work of that uh, another. So So the the Kakku said to Farku that why are you working this one? Why are you working this one work? Come with me in my shop. He said angrily. Then the uh, Farku said to Kakku, see, I am doing the work of this, taking this one thing, taking this one door. So
Mhm.
Kakku said more angrily that I am telling, come with me in a shop. So the Farku come with the Kakku in the shop and see the door was on open. The door was open. The Farku said, "Oh Kakku, I forget to see the door. To observe the door." The the Kakku said, "Now next time don't do from this." So then the Kakku and the Farku go to shop happily and never the mm, do like this. My moral of the story is we don't have to do another work. We have to do, but when we are doing one work, we don't have to um, do
Another one.
that work.
Okay,
Thank you.
okay. Okay, great. Wow, wow, great, great, great. So the moral of your story was very nice. When I think you were saying that when we are doing a single work, so we shouldn't do another work at that same time, isn't it,
Yes, yes,
Kanishka? Wow, great story. What else? Okay,
yes.
let me know little more about you. Let me know little more about you. So, uh, you as you said, in which class? Sorry, I forgot. Are you in which standard you are this time studying?
I'm studying in third standard.
Third standard. Okay, I will ask you this question. But before that, I would like to tell you one thing. When you are talking about the man, not in singular, talking about the man. So you said initially two mans. So instead of saying two mans, you can say two men. Okay, better. Hmm.
Okay.
Yeah. So now, in your third class, which subject do you like the most?
I like the most. I like every subject. I like
Oh,
whole subject, but among I like English.
English.
Yes.
Okay. Oh, great. Okay, beta. So now I have second class at 10:30. So now it is almost time 10:28. So please allow me to go and join that class. And in that station, I'm going to talk same a girl. She is like you. Name of that girl is Arna. Do you know her?
Yes, I know her, Anna.
So I'm going to talk with her at 10:30. So now it is time 10:21. I enjoyed a lot, beta. So when you have time, we can talk again. Okay. Okay, beta.
Okay,
Nice to talk
have
to
a
you.
great day.
Okay,
Your
okay. Have a great day,
time
beta. Bye bye.
is nice.
Thank you
Bye.
so much, beta. Have a nice day. Bye bye, beta. Bye bye.
Great day.
Take
Bye.
care. Yeah.